So today I'm going to show you guys how to change an air filter on a 2014 Honda Accord, and this is the 6-cylinder. So the first thing you do is you pop off this latch here, and there's another latch right on over here. And the difference is between the 4 and the 6. The 4-cylinder actually you can just slide it and it pops off. This whole metal, plastic plastic piece just kind of comes off, and this one is more, you have to just pop it open a little bit. And once you pop it open, you can just take the filter right on out. And as you can see, my filter is very much in need of a change. So once you get that, say I got my brand new filter here, and take the new filter, kind of pop this thing back open again. Once you pop it open, make sure it aligns good. And once it's aligned, push it back down, pop the clips back on, and voila. You do not need any car or mechanical experience to kind of get this done. It's a pretty easy process. Anybody can do it. All right, thank you.